So you're thinking about moving to Spanish Fort, Alabama, Daphne, surrounding areas. Well, today we are going to walk through our new listing in Spanish Fort, Alabama. Really popular location, really popular subdivision. This house is 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3,215 square feet. We have it aggressively priced at $575,000, and some really cool things if you'll stick around to the end. Just 1 mile this way is Stonebridge Elementary School. It is a brand new school. Been open a couple years and has quickly become a really popular elementary school, so conveniently located to this beautiful home. And some other key features here that you're going to want to stick around with me and see to the end is the amenities that this subdivision offers. They are above and beyond what you can easily find in our area. Not one, but 2 neighborhood pools. You've got 2 basketball courts, 2 tennis courts, a kids playground area, and get this, a kids baseball field. And it gets even better. The first set of amenities is right next door. So you literally go out your front door and walk next door and you're at all the amenities. What's better than having your own private pool? Having one next door that you don't have to pay for or maintain. So you're definitely going to want to check this one out. So come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Baldwin County, Daphne, Spanish Fort, Fairhope, Alabama. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So I am here holding this open house for our listing here in Spanish Fort, Alabama. A really beautiful property, and I cannot wait for you guys to come take a tour with me. So come check it out.
Pull off 10, hit 81, where the breeze rolls soft and the workday's done. Spanish Fort's got that easy way. Kids still ride bikes and the neighbors wave. That house on Iba's corner of the street, with 5 good rooms and tall pine trees. Sunsets fall on that wraparound porch, and the smell of supper's drifting from the front door. It's got high ceilings and sweet tea dreams. 0 entry pool just down the street. Ball games, backyards, barbecue smoke. Tall swing swinging and the laughter rolls. It's where love's grown strong. Yeah, this house feels like a song.
Come right on in. Right away, great first impression on this home. And to the left, you have a formal dining area. The wainscoting, beautiful crown molding, really great size dining area there. Beautiful staircase that you come into. And if you're familiar with the builders in this area, this home was built by Trulin. Trulin later got bought out and merged with D.R. Horton. So there are no more Trulin homes coming out of the ground, which makes this one extra special. Buyers really tend to like the finishes and the quality of construction that Trulin offered for many years in Baldwin County. Got a really nice kitchen here. Absolutely love this kitchen. I love the study to the right of the refrigerator. Love the big island. Very inviting, this area. We got a gas stove over there. Really nice feature. Beautiful appliances. And this home was originally the model home. So nice walk-in pantry. No wire shelves. Nice built-in wood shelves there for the pantry. Beautiful fireplace. And here off to the right of the front door is the first guest bedroom.
Pulled off 10, hit 81, where the breeze rolls soft and the workday's done. Spanish Fort's got that easy way. Kids still ride bikes in the neighbor's way. That house on Iba's corner of the street with 5 good rooms.
And off this bedroom is a convenient half bath for both this bedroom and off the living room and guests to use. And then we will come into a very large primary bedroom here. Nice tray ceiling, beautifully framed windows there where you can put your bed in front of. Plenty of space there, king size bed there. Nice trim work around the doors, nice crown molding. Got hardwood coming into the tile. Beautiful soaking tub, plenty of natural light coming in here. Got separate but dual vanities. Nice stand-up shower. Private toilet. And double closets. So for those of you who keep your side way cleaner and more organized than your spouse, you will certainly appreciate having these closets separated.
Corner lot, but the center of our world for this barefoot boy and his front porch girl. It's got high ceilings and sweet tea dreams, basketball courts and real big swings, family cookout, stars overhead, tucking babies into bunk beds. Yeah, it's more than brick and mortar.
All right, I want to take you and show you another cool feature that I personally love about this home, and that is this mud area off the garage. I so wish I had that at my home for shoes and backpacks and hang things. So you can come straight through from dining here. Lots and lots of storage in this home. If you stick around while we go upstairs, you're going to see a ton of storage. Another feature I really like. And then who wouldn't want this beautiful, large walk-in laundry room? I know I would. You got room for your cleaning, vacuums, and also having a sink. I have that exact same Dyson, but I don't have room for it in my laundry room, so I love that. Take a peek into the garage. Just a 2-car garage here. Plenty of space for cars and your things. Come back around and let's go check out the upstairs. A lot more space up here. So we'll come into a rather large, spacious guest bedroom up here. Love the double window with all the natural light. Great closet in here. It's a little deeper than the video shows, but as you can see, there's an entire workout set in there. It's a really nice room here. And then I love this landing area up here. You could easily put a desk there if you needed extra workspace. And you got this nice large linen closet up here. And then another guest bedroom here. Again, lots of natural light coming in here. I know that's pretty important to a lot of people. So this is another really good sized bedroom here. And then look at how much storage is in here. Love the window in this closet. There's a lot of natural light. Really love that. And attic access here. Hot water heater. There's your ductwork, your insulation. All right, let's go into the third room up here, which they are utilizing as a bonus room, a secondary living space, which I think a lot of folks would use this room for that, playroom, whatnot. Love that little nook there with the natural light. Large TV. Very comfortable space in here. And yet again, more storage. Got more attic access there as well. So definitely does not lack any storage in this home. And attic access there. And then we'll go check out the guest bathroom up here. And love that it has 2 sinks up here, dual vanity. Wish every guest bathroom had 2 sinks. I think that's a great feature. And come on back here, private toilet, and not your typical tub surround there. It's tiled all the way up, almost all the way up. A beautiful tile surround bathtub, shower there. Let's go check out the backyard. I know a lot of people looking for a full-time home to lay roots in are gonna wanna spend a lot of time outdoors in our beautiful warm climate. We get lots of sunshine, lots of days to spend outside here. And they've got the setup there with the grilling station. Got beautiful wood ceiling there. And extra concrete pad here. And this backyard is deceivingly large. It's a little bit larger than you initially think when you walk out. Then you got common area there between the 2 neighbors' lot lines, which is nice to have that. So you're not right up on top of each other. And there's the amenities I was telling you guys about. We'll go take a closer look at those, but there's the ball field. Can't tell you how much I love that. This house feels like a song, and I'm right where I belong. It ain't the beach, but it's close enough, where the pace slows down and the hearts grow up. A corner lot, but the center of our world, for this barefoot boy and his front porch girl. It's got high ceilings and sweet tea dreams, basketball courts and real big swings, family cookout, stars overhead, tucking babies into bunk beds. Yeah, it's more than brick and lawn. It's a life we've built on strong. There was quite a lot of families and kids at the neighborhood pool area, and so I wasn't able to film that for you guys. Got all the other amenities, and I gotta tell you, I am super jealous of all the amenities this neighborhood offers. Love my neighborhood. We have a ton of common space. We have a ton of ponds, golf course community, but we don't have any of these amenities with the pools and tennis courts and whatnot. So really love all that this neighborhood has to offer. Even got a putting green behind me. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Stonebridge neighborhood and our new listing here in this neighborhood. Took you over to see the elementary school, showed you a little bit of the boulevard there with the beautiful homes. Here we are on this cool little baseball field, and right there is our listing. There's our beautiful home that we have for sale. You know, people continue to move here to our area for the great climate, the low cost of living, and the great schools that we have here in Baldwin County. Spanish Fort is definitely well known for a great school system, great athletic programs, and we just love it here. Hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that tip the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sunrise